Here you can see the ANPR software running in live mode, capturing number plates in real time. You can see a thumbnail image is created for each detection event. Vehicles not on the database are flagged red as not authorized, as you can see. You will see now a vehicle that has been entered onto the database and receives a green flag giving authorization of the number plate. This captured number can then be used to access information regarding the vehicle you have saved in your database and automatically open gates, barriers or any other device that can be operated by the included normally open-closed switching relay interfaces. By clicking on a thumbnail image you can perform a quick search. The right-hand toolbar will then show you the details for the vehicle that you have stored in your database, including names, addresses, etc. You can also access the tools by clicking on the search button at the bottom right of the screen. You can search by registration plate or time and date using the Easy Calendar search tool. Then click Apply to see your search results. Next, we will look at the configuration menus. First, the camera configuration menu. In here, you select the camera's input source, which is the 4-channel inputs on the system. You can name the camera and nominate which lane the camera is to be assigned to. Unallocated cameras appear in the left-hand box and are selected by choosing the lane allocation, then highlighting the camera and moving it to the right-hand box. Next, the ANPR settings. Here you can set the traffic direction, crop the search area to speed up recognition, suppress detection of stationary vehicles, allow or disallow low confidence readings, and set the timeout before detecting the next plate. Next, we can see the System Features menu. First, there is the ability to send SMS messages. This requires the optional SMS modem. You can see the input-output setup options. This is where you set up the external triggers to gates and barriers, etc. Select the internal output interface, select the output pin or channel of the lane. You can also see here the trigger time and output test options. You can configure output data, which will allow integration with third-party software. Next, the database. This is where you can set up an approved list of plates and driver details along with actions to be initiated on the plate recognition. You can set up individual times and days for each plate in the database. In the database admin menu, you can set the database location. It can also be set up to auto-delete the history based on the number of days or recordings. You can also manually delete the recognition history. The Preset Program menu allows you to quickly set up a new rule, for example to allow traffic flow between 8 and 10 AM Monday to Friday. The User menu allows you to create system users and administrators and set the limits of their access to edit the database. This version of our ANPR system is designed for barrier and gate control, which is ideal for controlling access to hotel and private car parks, camping sites or private roads. We can also offer a full billing solution for car parks, including a multi-site integration solution.